बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। Today the topic of my seminar is multivariate method for analysis of environmental reference material using laser induced breakdown spectroscopy. Multivariate methods are basically the statistical methods which are using in this article. The research article consists of introduction, material method, result discussion and conclusion. The abstract of research article deals डिस्कसिंग दैट लेज़र इंड्यूस ब्रेकडाउन स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी को किसी भी सैम्पल के मेजर और माइनर एलिमेंट की क्वांटिफिकेशन और एनालिसिस के लिए यूज़ करते हैं। इसके साथ साथ मल्टीवेरिएट स्टैटिकल मेथड लाइक पार्शियल लीस्ट स्क्वायर रिजेक्शन, पार्शियल लीस्ट स्क्वायर डिस्क्रिमिनेंट एनालिसिस को भी कंस्टिट्यूट एलिमेंट की क्वांटिटेटिव एनालिसिस के लिए अप्लाई किया जाता है। Or in this research article, we are discussing about the environmental reference material of the soil and plant origin, which are usually analyzed by laser-induced breakdown spectroscopy. तो कैलिब्रेशन मॉडल जो एंड पर बनते हैं वो हमें डिफरेंट एलिमेंट की कंसनट्रेशन के बारे में बताते हैं। उन कंसनट्रेशन को दैन कंपेयर किया जाता है विद सर्टिफाइड कंसनट्रेशन टू चेक द ऑथेंटिसिटी ऑफ मॉडल की ऑथेंटिसिटी को चेक करने के लिए। In the introduction, we are discussing about the importance of the laser-induced breakdown spectroscopy. Why we use laser-induced breakdown spectroscopy? Why the other numerous analytical techniques are present for the compositional analysis like inductive coupled plasma emission spectroscopy, inductive coupled plasma mass spectroscopy. Why we use this technique? Laser-induced technique is multi-element technique based on emission spectroscopy for obtaining the data on various elements simultaneously. In this technique we have not to do pre-treatment and we have not to do compact or experimental sector avoiding sample preparation. It is relatively non-destructive in nature, while the other techniques are very time depending and we need to do the sample preparation, and the sample is also consumed in other technique like inductive coupled plasma mass spectroscopy. और इन लेज़र इंड्यूस ब्रेकडाउन स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी हम पावरफुल लेज़र पल्स को सैम्पल सरफेस पर फोकस किया जाता है, जिसके नतीजे में मॉलिक्यूल्स और फाइन पार्टिकल्स ऑटोमाइज होते हैं और excite होते हैं and generating high energetic plasma. When these molecules and fine particles relax and they give the plasma emission, the resulting plasma emission can be correlated to elemental concentration in the sample surface and give the Lipps spectrum. This spectrum is basically give the information about that element that we are going to be analyzed. And for quantitative analysis of any of the sample we need a standard to check the authenticity of the models. And the Lipps spectra are usually complex and contain significant information about that material or element which are we going to discuss or analyze. Multivariate analysis technique like partial least square rejection, partial least discriminant analysis are also useful in the laser induced breakdown spectroscopy to remove any redundant and correlative variables and using only Lipps spectra information. These both techniques then couple and give concentration of different element for unknown sample.